You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two words that have very different meaning, obviously. They do end with the same set of letters, but they are to be pronounced rather differently. And one of my viewers asked me for this pronunciation course or lesson specifically for those two words. So let's get through. Drought is your top word here. Drought, out. Just like out, drought. It means when it's very dry for a long period of time, a drought. Now the bottom word here is the past tense of the verb to bring, brought, brought. Okay, now in American English they'd say it more as brought, brought. But in British English, brought. So you have this O sound. So not an ow sound, an O sound. So again, your bottom word here is brought. I brought an apple with me this morning for breakfast. Brought. Drought is your top word. The drought caused by the lack of rain is significant. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.